Okay, you ready?
Yeah, this is it. Don't worry, I'll just...
Hey, cameraman. I think I've seen this on the hub before.
The splooge happened already.
Hey guys, how much about I just got splooged on.
Oh my god, it smells putrid.
Not being able
That's
to
more. You need more.
You're probably fine with that.
I paid $56 for this.
Why does it look like
Ready?
cookies and cream Dippin' Dots?
So I think if we add that, it should. Sometimes that, yeah.
Hold on, boys. This is the end product.
This is a waste of money.
It's like I just pull it out and the
Time.
stick is gone.
Effort. We have 0 subscribers. Should I step in it? I think it's time for us to introduce ourselves. I'm Sssplooge. J2. That right there. Frederick. That's Jane. Hey, asshole. Look at me. I'm the fucking star of this show. Hey guys, we're back. Splooge here. And he saw a fish. We were fishing out here.
What do you think about that? What do you think about fishing?
I like fishing. Your mom.
Right? I'll tell you when. Go.
Go get the football. Go get the ball.
Go. Now I'm gonna throw it back to you.
It's done like this.
No! Go.
Oh. Go get the fucking ball.
Yeah.
Oh, that would have been. No way.
Oh.
I just got splooged on.
I just got splooged on.
I just got splooged on. I just got splooged on.
I just got splooged on. I just got splooged on.
I just got splooged on. I just got splooged on.
I just got splooged on. I just got splooged on. I just got splooged on.
I just got splooged on.
Oh my.
Oh my god.
How to begin?
I don't know.
Your mom.